What you doing, baby?
Playing.
You're playing?
There was two big trucks.
There was two big trucks.
And Daddy's going to trucks. You want to buy me?
Two big trucks like Daddy's that were going on the tracks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Bingo's.
Huh?
Bingo's too.
Like Mingo's too?
Yeah, I'm going in.
You like to go in Theo Mingo's truck?
Yeah.
Aww.
And petrol broke. And go get popcorn. Don't turn it off.
Okay, I'll fix it in a minute. Why do you have the trucks on the train track?
Because they need to go.
They need to go?
Yeah.
Aww.
These are trucks are going in big trailers too.
Yeah, the trucks and the big trailers too.
Yeah.
You like big trucks, baby?
Yeah, and cars.
And cars too? Which
Yeah.
big truck is your favorite one?
That.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's that car.
You need one like Daddy's, huh?
Yeah. And the car too.
And the car
Daddy's.
like Daddy's car too?
Ah!
What kind of big truck does Daddy have?
Two.
He has two big trucks?
Yeah.
What do they look like?
Colors?
Yeah, what colors are they?
They painted.
He painted them?
Yeah.
Are they nice?
Yeah.
I love you.
They drive.
They drive? How do they drive?
2 minutes.
They drive for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They pluck over the cows. And they vroom, vroom.
They get popcorn for the cows?
Yeah.
Aww.
But Grandpa.
With Grandpa?
Yeah.
Mm.
They get too much.
They get too much?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
They get too much. They get too much.
So where are you going on the big trucks?
Two.
Two? Where are you going to drive at?
And the popcorn.
Where's the popcorn place?
Nowhere.
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh, is it far away?
Yeah.
Oh.
They got away.
You want to tell Daddy good night?
No?
No?
Here's your baby, baby.
Here you go.
You're
Say thank you,
Sorry.
sister.
Thank you.
Are you done playing big trucks?
Mm-mm.
No?
In a minute.
In a minute.
I want to do it in here with you.
Okay.
I can with you in here.
Sleep with me in here?
Yeah.
No, I sleep in my room.
No.
You can sleep in your bed like Shay did. Shay's a big kid, huh? Are you a big kid?
No.
You're a baby?
Yeah.
Whose baby are you?
Mine.
Mine.
Whose baby are you?
Mommy.
You're your own baby?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, are you sister's baby or mom's baby?
Mom, baby.
Mom's baby. Are you mommy's daddy or baby's dad or daddy's baby?
Stella, baby.
You're Sierra's baby? Are you
What was he
Sierra's baby or daddy's baby?
Daddy, baby.
Daddy's baby. Are you everybody's baby?
Yeah.
How much do you love all of us?
2 minutes.
Oh my
minutes.
gosh, that's a lot.
Guess how much I love you?
2 minutes.
No, I love you more than 2 minutes.
No, I got 2 minutes.
Good night.
Good night.
I love you.
Good night.
Blow me kisses.
Good
Okay.
You sound like
Blow
a girl.
night. I know.
Yeah, you sound like a girl.
Good night.
You better take care of your trucks. You're going to have a wreck over there.
Oh, they're gonna wreck.
The train's going to hit your truck.
What was he doing?
They're not at the truck.
Did you record it?
They would not like Daddy's truck.
They're not going to wreck Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, did you fall in the hole with Daddy?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't imagine how scared he must have been.
Oh no. Was Daddy scared? Your daddy saved you, huh?
Mm.
Oh man, what a special daddy.
Imagine if Jesse would have fallen first.
I
And
know.
the door would have, he would have been stepping down while he was closing the door. And what if the door stayed open? And what if Jace got down and fell too? We shouldn't think of what ifs. Huh? You want me to rock you?
Okay, say goodnight for the movie.
Say goodnight.
Yeah.
Look, Mom.
Say goodnight,
Oh.
sister. I know he has all kinds of little scrapes because they played outside all day yesterday. Jace, say bye-bye to the camera.
Say goodnight. Say
Say
goodnight.
goodnight.
Sister's gonna rock me.
Okay, sister, put him down then if he's not going to say goodnight.
Jace, do you
Say
know
goodnight.
Mom rocked me till I was like 6 or 7?
I sure did. You want Mommy to rock you till
In
you're a
the blue
big boy?
recliner.
You want Mommy to rock you
Really?
until you're a big boy like
You'd
sister?
rock me at the Cleveland house.
Yes, all the time. Okay,
What
say
happened right
night-night.
here?
Who did that?
Bentley, huh? Oh my goodness.
Bentley did it.
I didn't even notice it till he woke up.
No telling. They've been playing all day. Okay, baby, say night-night. I love you. I love you.